Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. So today's video is going to be my Tuesday's video. I apologize for getting this up so late. I have not been feeling that great, so I haven't really had a chance to actually edit and everything, and I actually did not do Wednesday's video. So this is going to be Tuesday's video, which is cleaning my bathroom. So if y'all have not already checked out my first week of my new cleaning schedule, go ahead and check that out. The videos are in my cleaning video playlist. But today I'm just going to be cleaning my bathroom. The X on my cleaning cloth right there that I was showing you is just how I keep my cleaning cloths separated. So I've just embroidered an initial onto each of my cleaning cloths, and I explained that a little further in my Monday's video. So I'm just going to be cleaning the bathroom today, and I basically, after I got done with this, that's pretty much all I did for this day because, like I said, I was not feeling great and still not feeling that good. So I do apologize, but Wednesday and Thursday's video will not be up for this week's cleaning schedule. But I hope to be able to pick everything back up. I think I've just gotten like some kind of bug at work, so I think by Friday I should be okay enough to do another video, and hopefully by next week because it'll be my third week in my new cleaning schedule cycle, so hopefully I can actually do it right. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. And for dinner, I am just having some fried eggs with some toast, and I've just put some coconut oil in a pan, just fried up 3 eggs. I do them where the yolk is still runny, so I'm not really sure what that's called, but I guess over easy maybe. And just put some garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and that's pretty much it. And that was my dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please check back for my next video. I will try to have Fridays up. Bye guys!